Imagine you're sitting across from someone, and they look you straight in the eye and say something that cuts through all the noise in your head. They don't raise their voice, they don't repeat themselves, but somehow you feel it in your chest. That's power. Not the loud kind, not the aggressive kind, but the kind that makes people lean in when you speak. The kind that makes a woman remember you weeks after one conversation. The kind that changes how people see you the moment you walk into a room. Most men spend their whole lives chasing respect, chasing attention, chasing women, and they wonder why it never works. Today I'm going to show you exactly why that happens, and more importantly, how to flip the script completely. This isn't about tricks or lines or games. This is about becoming the kind of man women naturally gravitate toward without you lifting a finger. If you've ever felt invisible, if you've ever felt like you're doing everything right but getting nowhere, then what I'm about to tell you will change everything. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn what most men will never understand about attraction, respect, and real masculine power. Before we go any further, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button right now, because it tells me you want more content like this. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. The principles I share here only get stronger the more you understand them. And trust me, you're going to want to see where this goes. Let me start with something most people get completely backward. They think attraction is about what you say, or how you look, or how much money you have. Those things can help, sure, but they're not the foundation. The real foundation is presence, and presence starts with one thing that almost no man truly masters: stillness. When you can stand in a room and not feel the need to perform, not feel the need to prove anything, not feel the need to fill every silence with words, people notice. Women notice. Because in a world where everyone is desperate for validation, a man who doesn't need it stands out like a lighthouse in the dark. You don't need to be the loudest guy in the room. You need to be the one who's so grounded in himself that his silence carries more weight than most people's words. Here's the thing about mystery that nobody talks about. It's not about being secretive or playing hard to get. It's about having depth. When a woman meets you, and within 5 minutes she knows your whole life story, your insecurities, your plans, your fears, there's nothing left to discover. You've given her the whole map. But when you reveal yourself slowly, when you let her earn access to the deeper parts of who you are, she becomes invested. She starts thinking about you when you're not around. She wonders what you're doing, what you're thinking, what makes you tick. That curiosity is the spark that turns into attraction. And it only works when you actually have substance behind the mystery. You can't fake depth. You have to build it by living a life that's worth being curious about. Now, let's talk about emotional control, because this is where most men completely lose the game without even realizing it. Every time you react emotionally to something small, every time you get defensive, every time you seek reassurance or validation, you're handing over your power. Women are incredibly intuitive. They can sense when a man is emotionally stable and when he's not. And here's the brutal truth. A woman cannot feel safe with a man who can't control his own emotions. Safety isn't just physical, it's emotional. When she knows that you won't explode over small things, that you won't spiral when things get tough, that you can stay calm and think clearly under pressure, she feels like she can trust you with her emotions too. That trust is the bedrock of real attraction. Without it, everything else crumbles. Let me tell you about a concept that changed my entire understanding of confidence. Real confidence isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't need to. You know those guys who walk around constantly talking about how great they are, how much they lift, how many women they've been with, how successful they are? That's not confidence. That's insecurity wearing a costume. Real confidence is quiet. It's the guy who sits back and listens while everyone else is performing. It's the guy who makes eye contact and doesn't look away first. It's the guy who's comfortable with himself, even when nobody's paying attention to him. When you don't need external validation to feel good about who you are, people feel it. And that energy is magnetic because it's so rare. Here's something Machiavelli understood centuries ago that still applies today. Respect always comes before love. If a woman doesn't respect you, she cannot truly be attracted to you. She might be attracted to what you provide or how you make her feel in the moment, but it's not real. Respect is earned through consistency. When your words match your actions, when you say you're going to do something and you actually do it, when you have boundaries and you enforce them, even when it's uncomfortable, when you stand by your values, even when it costs you something, that's when respect grows. And once a woman respects you, attraction follows naturally. Now I want to talk about something that most men completely misunderstand: scarcity. This doesn't mean disappearing for no reason or playing games with someone's emotions. That's childish and it backfires. Real scarcity comes from having a life that's so full of purpose, goals, passions, and movement that your time actually is valuable. When a woman knows that you have things going on, that you're building something, that you're not just sitting around waiting for her to text back, your attention becomes something she values. People don't appreciate what's always available. They appreciate what's earned. When she knows that spending time with you means you're choosing her over other things that matter to you, it means something. That's real scarcity. And it's built on having a life worth living, not on manipulation. Let's talk about investment, because this is a game changer. Too many men give everything up front. They shower a woman with attention, compliments, effort, time, and energy before she's done anything to earn it. And then they wonder why she loses interest. Here's the reality. People value what they work for. When you let a woman invest in you emotionally, when you give her space to chase a little, when you let her put in effort and feel like she's winning you over, she becomes more attached. This doesn't mean being cold or distant. It means creating balance. Ask her questions that make her think. Let her share her stories. Let her feel heard and seen. The more she invests emotionally, the more connected she becomes. Investment creates attachment, and attachment deepens attraction. Leadership is another principle that's deeply misunderstood. Leadership doesn't mean bossing people around or making every decision for them. It means having direction. It means knowing where you're going and inviting people to come with you. Women are attracted to men who have a sense of purpose and clarity. Even in small moments, like deciding where to eat or making plans confidently without endless back and forth, you communicate that you're a man who knows what he wants. Indecision signals insecurity. Decisiveness signals strength. You don't have to be right all the time. You just have to be willing to make the call and own it. Here's a subtle but incredibly powerful idea: unpredictability. I'm not talking about being chaotic or unreliable. I'm talking about keeping things fresh. If every conversation feels the same, if every interaction follows the same pattern, boredom sets in. Attraction thrives on variety. Be playful when she expects you to be serious. Be calm when she expects intensity. Surprise her with depth when she thinks you're surface level. This keeps the emotional engagement alive and prevents the relationship from falling into a routine that kills excitement. Predictability is the death of desire. Unpredictability keeps it breathing. Boundaries are one of the most attractive qualities a man can have, and most men don't realize it. When you respect your own limits, when you say no to things that don't align with your values, when you walk away from situations that don't serve you, you show strength. Over-availability comes from fear. The fear that if you're not always there, she'll lose interest. But the opposite is true. When you have boundaries, when you value your time and energy, people respect you more. And respect, as we've already established, is the foundation of attraction. Boundaries aren't walls, they're standards. And standards make you valuable. Let's talk about presence, because this is something almost nobody does well anymore. When you're with someone, are you actually there? Or are you checking your phone, thinking about work, planning your next move, waiting for your turn to talk? Real presence means being fully engaged in the moment. Eye contact that doesn't waver, listening without interrupting, asking follow-up questions that show you're actually paying attention. In a world where everyone is distracted, your full attention becomes a gift. And when you give that gift, people feel it. They feel seen. They feel valued. And that creates a bond that surface-level interactions never will. Self-improvement is power. This is something Machiavelli would absolutely agree with. The more you invest in yourself, the less you need to chase anything outside of you. When you're working on your body, your mind, your skills, your purpose, your value naturally rises. And when your value rises, attraction becomes a side effect, not the goal. You stop chasing women and start attracting them, because you're becoming the kind of man women want to be around. You're not focused on getting her attention, you're focused on becoming better. And that shift in focus changes everything. Emotional contrast is another principle that keeps relationships alive. If you're always intense, it becomes the baseline. If you're always soft and agreeable, it becomes predictable. The key is balance. Warmth mixed with firmness, humor mixed with seriousness, light-hearted moments mixed with depth. This creates emotional rhythm. It keeps her engaged because she never quite knows what's coming next, and that keeps the spark alive. Monotone communication kills attraction. Emotional range keeps it burning. Silence is a tool that most men completely waste. They think every pause in conversation is awkward, so they rush to fill it with words. But silence, when used correctly, creates anticipation. It gives weight to what you're about to say. It shows confidence because you're not afraid of the quiet. Pausing before you respond, letting moments breathe, not rushing through conversations. All of this communicates that you're comfortable with yourself and you don't need constant stimulation. That comfort is attractive. Independence is one of the most magnetic qualities a man can have. When your happiness doesn't depend on her reaction, when you're not constantly seeking her approval, when you can be content on your own, you become irresistible. Neediness repels. Self-sufficiency attracts. This doesn't mean you don't care about her or don't value the relationship. It means your sense of self isn't tied to her presence. You're whole on your own, and that wholeness makes people want to be part of your life, not because you need them, but because being around you feels good. Authenticity is non-negotiable. You can learn all the techniques in the world, but if you're faking it, people will sense it. If you're trying to be someone you're not, it leaks through. The goal isn't to become a different person. The goal is to become the best version of yourself, to refine your rough edges, to build real confidence, to develop genuine strength. When you're authentic, when you're aligned with who you truly are, people feel it. And that authenticity creates trust, and trust creates connection. Emotional safety is something a lot of men overlook. A woman feels drawn to a man who allows her to be herself without judgment. You don't have to agree with everything she says. You don't have to fix every problem. Sometimes, just listening is enough. When she feels safe expressing her thoughts, her fears, her dreams, without you shutting her down or making her feel small, she opens up. And that openness creates intimacy. Intimacy creates bond, and bond creates lasting attraction. The deepest principle of all, the one that ties everything together, is self-respect. When you respect yourself, you don't beg for attention, you don't tolerate disrespect, you don't lose yourself trying to please someone else. You know your worth, and you act like it. Not in an arrogant way, but in a grounded, unshakable way. That energy is powerful. Women feel it immediately. It shows up in how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you make decisions, how you handle rejection, how you respond to challenges. Self-respect is the foundation. Without it, nothing else works. With it, everything else falls into place. If you made it this far, you already understand something most men never will. Attraction isn't something you chase. It's something you create through who you are, how you show up, and the energy you bring into every room. These principles aren't just about women. They're about becoming a man who commands respect, who lives with purpose, and who doesn't need validation from anyone. Drop a comment below and tell me which principle hit you the hardest. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your engagement helps this content reach more people, and it tells me to keep bringing you real, no-nonsense insights like this. I'll see you in the next one.